And there's some big stones. They're at least 1 inch. I'd go outside and grab it, but it's raining too hard and hailing too hard, and I've been outside in a hailstorm and it ain't pleasant. If I'm going to be stoned, I want to have a bottle in front of me, not a frontal lobotomy. And there's some big rocks out here. It's still coming down. Look at this. Stones. And the wind picking up a little bit. Oh yeah, probably the tornado now. Yeah, that's quite an event. They're still sending stones down. Still getting some stones out here. And there's some big rocks. Upwards of 1 inch. Alright.